Moving hack number 1, do not ever pay for boxes, bro. You see me. My food be seasoned. Don't play with me.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Welcome back to Dapper Diane. This is your first time here. Hi, my name is Dorothy. It's nice to meet you. I would really appreciate it if you would like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff so we can get into this video, which is packing, because your girl is moving. I'm moving. Okay, so yeah. Mind you, I'm watching Power and my house is a mess because, yeah, I'm moving. So a lot of stuff is going to be a mess. But moving hack number 1, do not ever pay for boxes, bro. All you gotta do is go to stores and be like, hey, I'm moving. Can I get any boxes you aren't using? And I'm talking about like Walmart, Food Lion, Dollar Tree, like wherever. I got all these boxes for free as opposed to paying 4 boxes. So yeah, that's a moving hack. And the first thing we're gonna do is assemble these, put these all together. All right, y'all, so I have a lot to pack, and I don't even know where to start for real, but I'm gonna just tell myself to start chow in the kitchen. So we're gonna start packing up these seasonings, those seasonings, and any utensils, and just throw them in here. And then I have my handy dandy markers to mark every box with what's inside of there, all right?
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
One thing you can't say about me is that my food ain't seasoned, because it be seasoned. Mind you, I haven't used this one. I kind of impulsively bought this one, but it's fine. Anyways, you see this full box. You see me. My food be seasoned. Don't play with me. So I know the kitchen looks a mess, but we're gonna get back to it, okay? For me, when I do stuff, I have to jump around. I can't ever like finish one spot. So I'll get back to it, but we got the pots, some of the pots, the seasonings, all that good stuff put up. So now we're gonna get to the shoes.
What are you doing over there? Used to be my office, Canto. Just needed something I left in what used to be my desk. Oh. All right. Anyway, listen, the other night when we...
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Don't mind my loud TV, but I have jumped to my closet and I've started packing up like the smaller things. Oh, shit, I'm tired and discouraged because why do I have this much stuff? But we're gonna get there.
Untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Fucking knew it.
No, I want you to go to prison for the rest of your life. He doesn't. But he doesn't get that the only way I can help you is if you testify against Lobos. If it's reprisal, revenge you're worried about, I can do that.
In a story that fits you, knows you, and evolves with you. It's full of things that are so you right now and the you you're becoming. Introducing Stitch Fix Freestyle, your personalized story.
Y'all, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and this is what I've got done. You've seen, if you've been following along, you've kind of seen my apartment. The art is down, it looks naked. I know the kitchen's still a mess, we're gonna get there tomorrow. But for my first day, this is a pretty good start. This is all clothes I need to get rid of. The bathroom, once again, is a mess, but I cleaned out that and under the sink. That's trash as well. It's a lot of trash that needs to go out. And then my room, all the art is taken down once again. And then my closet is pretty bare. So, like I was saying, for the first day, this is pretty good. And this is the end of an era. If you've been following along with me on my journey, you know the day that I moved in was such a stressful day. But it's all over for this location. And we are on to bigger and better. It looks so crazy. It's crazy to think this was my home. And now It's just a space. But I'm so grateful for this space being my first place, my first adult place away from home. And I'm so thankful for y'all joining me along my journey. And this is me signing out of my first apartment, y'all. This is crazy to really think about. This is really it. But yeah, y'all, this is it for Raleigh. And now we are on to Charlotte. So I'll see y'all when I'm setting up my place. Until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bring it back now.